Hi friends, once again I'm back on Fun and Learn channel with easy matrix video. So let's start today's magic of maths. In our today's video we will see multiplying two numbers above a common base. In our previous video we have seen multiplying two numbers below a common base. So let's start the video. Let's start with our first problem. We have to multiply 101 with 114. In this case, the common base is 100. As 101 is 1 above than 100 and 114 is 14 above than 100. So, with cross adding, our first part of the answer will be 101 plus 14, which will be equal to 114 plus 1 and both equal to 115. And second part will be multiplication of the surpluses. Answer for 101 into 114 will be equal to 11514. Let's try one more problem. 112 into 107. In this case, the common base is 100. Here, 112 is 12 above than 100. And 107 is 7 above than 100. So, first part of the answer by cross adding will be 112 plus 7, which is equal to 107 plus 12, and both of them are equal to 119. And second part is multiplication of the surpluses, equal to 12 into 7, which is equal to 84. So, answer for 112 into 107 will equal to 11984. Let's try one more problem. We have to multiply 1004 into 1150. In this case, the common base is 1000. As we can see here, 1004 is 4 above that 1000 and 1150 is 150 above 1000. So, first part of the answer with cross addition will be 1004 plus 150 equal to 1150 plus 4, and both of them are equal to 1154. And second part is the multiplication of the surpluses, which is equal to 150 into 4 equal to 600. So 1004 into 1150 is equal to 1154600. Bigger number multiplication, try 10323 into 10003. In this case, the common base is 10,000. As 10323 is 323 above 10,000 and 10003 is 3 above than 10,000. First part of the answer by cross addition will be 10323 plus 3, which is equal to 10003 plus 323. Both of them are equal to 10326. And second part of the answer is multiplication of the surpluses, which is equal to 323 into 03, which is equal to 969. As we can see here, the second part contains only 3 digits and our common base is 10,000. So it contains 40. So our second part should be in 4 digit only. For making the second part 4 digit, we will prefix a 0 in 969. So our second part will be 0969. So answer for the multiplication of 10323 into 10003 is equal to 103260969. Let's try 109 into 125. In this case, the common base is 100. as 109 is 9 above than 100 and 125 is 25 above than 100. So first part of the answer will be by the cross addition. 109 plus 25 is equal to 125 plus 09. Both of them are equal to 134. And second part is multiplication of the surplus, which is equal to 9 into 25 is equal to 225. As the second part is 225, which is above common base 100. So from second part, 2 will be added to the first part. So the first part will become 134 plus 2 is equal to 136 and second part will become 25. So answer for 109 into 125 will be equal to 13625. Let's try 1150 into 1007. Here the common base is 1000 as 1150 is 150 above 1000 and 1007 is 7 above than 1000. So first part of the answer by cross addition will be 1150 plus 7 equal to 1007 plus 150 and both of them are equal to 1157. And second part of the answer is multiplication of the surpluses, which is equal to 7 into 150 is equal to 1050. As second part is 1050, which is above common base 1000. So 1 from second part will be added to the first part 1157. So first part will become 1158 and second part will become 050. So answer for 1150 into 1007 will become equal to 115850. I hope friends, this video will help you to multiply two numbers above a common base. So let's try some multiplication by yourself. First problem will be 109 into 102. Next is 109 into 112. Next one is 1109 into 1002. Next one is 10009 into 10012. And the last one 10909 into 11002. I hope friends, this video will help you to do difficult multiplication. For more video and easy matrix video, please like and subscribe my channel Fun and Learn. Thank you.